is HP Builds, and today is the last Border Wars event of the year. This is also a Tennessee Region's points event, so of course we're killing two birds with one stone today. But right now we are actually waiting, because of course we're not running the first run group. We're working the second and running the third. So we've got to kill an hour or so, let these guys have some fun, learn what to do, what not to do, and all the in-betweens. So for now, we will see you guys when we get in the car. All right, guys, first run is ready to rock and roll. Track's nice and hot. Car's warmed up. All we got to do now is don't hit cones and go for an entire full stand. So here goes nothing, guys. All right, 35, but it was really a DNF. That was a little slick in there, and you think I would have known that because when I walked the course, I said how slick it was gonna be. But all we can do is come back for a second shot. All right, guys, this is round two. I gotta come in, I gotta come into that Chicago box with a lot less speed. So let's see what we can do. .338, but I definitely cooked a cone. I can't get out of that Chicago box properly. Oh me. All right, well, there's always round three. All right, so just found out that all the times were way wrong, and the clock that I'm looking at is not telling the right times. So we're at like a 37.8 with a cone, so we're really at like 35.8, so we just got to see if we can beat the 35.8. miserable. So many cones to even, we don't even know what the time is because I don't care. It's so many cones, it doesn't even matter. All right, well, we got 3 more runs. Got to calm it down, and I got to make this happen. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, this time I'm not going for speed, I'm going for accuracy. Reset. All right, so it says 37 flat. I'd believe it. I don't know. Let's go see what we got. So it says 37 flat. What does it say on the live timing? That thing's all out of whack.
It is. Because they were saying earlier that these two had a 35. Yeah.
What did it say on the thing? 37?
Yeah. And it wasn't even like plus a cone. It was like, it was throwing like a 33.8 for me. And I'm like, wait a second, how did we just gain 4 seconds when it says only 1 cone? And then it was actually, his time was a 33.8 and it didn't reset for me.
37 flat.
37 flat, okay, so it was right.
Yep.
All right, so that 37 flat that was popped up out there, that was our real time, but it was clean. That's the most important thing, it was clean. So now we need to take the same clean run, add a few more mile an hour in a few spots, and get a little bit faster on the times. So that showed a 35.3. I just felt right there on the end. We definitely clipped a cone. I swear I cannot get away from these cones today. This track is tight and the little Miatas are taking over today. There's a guy in our group, obviously last race he was in a Fox body, and of course he's smaller and he's killing it. He's actually first place right now again in our group today. But the size is what's getting everybody today. These big cars are just chewing these cones up. So we've got that time, so now we just got to sit and we got 1 more run. And then we got some fun runs. So that's going to be fun. No pun intended. All right, guys, last run of the day here. We've got to make it happen. We got a long way to go to first place. I'm not even shooting for first place now. But if I can just place, that's all I'll need. So without further ado, let's get this car put where we need to put it and go make some noise. 35.3. Well, today went with a 35 flat was the best time. So we didn't place, but we had fun. Oh, that's frustrating. It is what it is, though. There's always going to be someone faster. There's always going to be someone slower. No matter what you're doing, and no matter how fast you are, there is always someone faster. All right, guys. Well, now it's fun runs. So now I get to go grab some family and throw them in the passenger seat. Alrighty, guys. So we did the fun runs, or we paid for the fun runs, I should say. And my twin nieces that are here from Michigan, they are being a little rambunctious. So their daddy cannot get in the car with us, but that's okay. I've got Ashley with me, giving her some passenger seat time. That way she can hopefully get comfortable enough to say she wants to co-drive this car. So right now we're just going to do 3 different sessions with her and see how she does.
Go ahead, do what I do.
day is over. Got some good news. Border Wars placed second. Tennessee Region Points event, which was today as well, placed fifth. That's bad news. However, overall, I still think we're doing well in points for Tennessee, but man, to place second in the Tennessee region and Kentucky region, Sports Car Club of America Border Wars, I'll take it. I will gladly take second place. On top of that, guys, we got my brother-in-law, we got Ashley in the car, and that made for a whole lot more fun at the end. This little pay, you know, $10 to do 3 rounds with them, that was awesome. That gives Ashley some more seat time, and hopefully by next event she'll be our co-driver. And it gave Kirk another glimpse of Mustangs, and he enjoyed it. But the car ran good. I have no complaints. The only complaint I have is the day is now over. So it'll be a little while between now and the next points event, but I have a few more videos between now and then that will be happening, so stay tuned. But guys, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, subscribe and hit that like button below. It does a lot for this channel, and I really want to see what happens with this channel in 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, a year, whatever. I want to see what we can do with this channel. So for now, guys, we're going to get out of here, but thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in a few days.